Hello, what is up guys? It's Funky's Tech Tips coming back at you again. I wanted to make this video to help with my other video, how to set up a Teamspeak server and port forward it. Some people are having issues where they do everything correctly and they still cannot get it to work. And I understand this can be frustrating. It can be a multitude of things. Some companies block ports, and that will make it extremely hard. If you have one of those companies, you're probably sorry out of luck. Sometimes your firewall from your Windows will block it. This is a Windows only tutorial. I do not do Mac or Linux. I apologize in advance for that. And sometimes it's the firewall from your internet security software. So it all depends on what you're using. So when it comes to internet security software, your best bet to test the waters is to disable it when you try it. And if it still does not work, then it was not your program blocking it. It could be a multitude of things, but anyway, let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how to add rules in and out of your regular Windows firewall so you can know that it's not blocking the ports so your server can connect. And it's pretty simple to do. All you got to do is just go to your start menu, type in Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. Now, alternatively, you can get to it that way, but it's harder. It's easier just to do it this way. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so here's Windows Firewall Advanced Security. Okay, so now in here I've already done it for my Teamspeak. My router was down, so the Teamspeak I have posted on YouTube had not been working, so I had taken down the link for now. So I got TS1. Let's just let's go ahead and take a look here at the properties of the rule. So when I made the rule, basically made it pretty simple. I named it TS1, and I made the port allowed UDP and allowed all access in and out from this port, so my server cannot be blocked by it. It's very easy to do, so what I'll do just to make it easier for you, I will delete this rule and I will remake it, and you can do the same formula for everything. So you go ahead and go to port, you'd hit next. This one needs to be UDP, so we'll go ahead and hit UDP, hit next. Oh yeah, you got to do this, my bad. 8897, that is my port I need. It's on UDP. We'll hit next. Allow the connections. Allow all the connections. And this does not matter if it's on a desktop or home PC, don't take anywhere. But if it's on somewhere you take, do not have public. That's a bad idea because people are dicks. But anyway, hit next. Then we can name it. I'm going to name it again, TS1. Actually, the other ones are lowercase. I'm a stickler for uniformity. Alright, so TS1 and finish. So that's it. That's all I had to do to get my TS1 port. I put TS31. I hate myself. But anyway, that's all I had to do to get that working. So that's good. So now we know it's allowed through that. And all you got to do is 3 rules, one for each port on the in. And do the exact same on the out. And now all these are allowed through my port. So all my ports are opened from this perspective anyway. Now, for some reason, my TS doesn't even work. And I think it's just my new router. I got to figure out some new settings. Everyone has to go through that. I'm not by any means a genius. I just kind of know a lot about the program itself. So let's go ahead and close this. Now let's say you're still having issues. That is also fine. We can go ahead and go to Komodo. That's what I use. Try to give you some kind of rundown on mine, at least. If you have Komodo, then you're lucky. You'll get to see exactly how to do it with Komodo. We're going to go to Firewall Tasks, Open Advanced Settings, and then we'll go to... Yes, I was testing too, so I turned off a lot of things. I'm still trying to figure out mine, but the way you let this through the firewall is Application Rules. I made a new rule by clicking the small tab here. Hit Add. I selected my Teamspeak server, and I allowed all traffic in and out of my Teamspeak server. And that way it will be opened, at least through this. Now, obviously mine still does not work. I have called my ISP. They do not block any of the ports. So now I am at the testing phase of figuring out what the hell is blocking my Teamspeak. And if I find a solution, I'll be sure to post a video on that as well. But until next time, have a good day. This has been Funky's Tech Tips, and I hope this helped you.